Okay guys, you've got your basics covered, your gauze, your band-aids, your tourniquet, stuff like that, and you think to yourself, hey, what if I've got to do a minor procedure? What if I've got to suture or close somebody's wound up? What if I've got to do some long-term wound care? I came up with a solution for you in our new kit that we're coming out with. This is the KSL Minor Procedure Kit. And in this video, we're going to dive into it, and I want to show you exactly what's in here. Stick with me. All right, guys, I came up with the Minor Procedure Kit. This is a kit that's going to do minor procedures, going to close up any wounds, some long-term care on stuff like that. So let's crack into it, and I'll show you everything that's in here. All right. We'll pull everything out and then go over it. One of the big things that's in here, this is the minor surgery kit from North American Rescue. I'll put everything that's in this in the description, but this is a minor surgery kit. It's all sterile and sealed up to do just minor procedures. One of the things everybody likes, I know I like it, I've taken one of these, and I've taken actually two of these. Shelly stapled my arm at a medical class we were doing, but we got a disposable skin stapler with the removal tool. Make sure you've got the removal tool, because if not, taking those things out is not fun. Next, we've got nylon sutures. We've got 3 packs of 2 different sizes. We've got a 3/0 and a 4/0 size, and these are nylon sutures, so there's 3 packs of each size in there. We've got a suture removal kit also. It's got everything you need to take the sutures out once they're ready to come out. We've got a pistol grip irrigation syringe for cleaning out the wounds, anything like that, getting any dirt and debris out of it. We've also got an extra pair of shears in here, and then in this handy little pouch, we've got a roll of medical tape. We have 5 2x2 gauze pads, and then we've got 5 4x4 gauze pads. And in the back, we've got 10 alcohol wipes and 10 iodine wipes for cleaning the wound. Cleaning the wound, disinfecting, keeping it good and clean. So guys, this is the KSL Minor Procedure Kit. It's going to be online. I'll put a link in the description. So check it out. It bridges the gap. If you've got all your basics, your gauze, your band-aids, stuff like that, and you're like, hey, I need to up my game a little bit just in case we've got to close some wounds or do any kind of minor procedures, that's what this kit is for. Guys, thanks for watching, and check it out at the website. Thanks.